Basketball, you betcha. I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed each and every day in the game that you love to play. Here are 10 drills that will get you right for the second half of your season, since the first half is coming to an end. Now, these drills are simple and easy, okay? First, you got your layup series drill, okay? Again, you got your right hand layup, your jump stop layup, your inside hand layup, your reverse layup, your left hand reverse layup. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, you're going to do this 3 times, and that's going to get you used to all of the different layups that you're going to see in the game. Now, it's also going to get you in condition at the same time while you're doing this. Then we're going to switch over from laying it up to playing defense. So now you're going to go right into the key and you're going to go for 30 seconds 4 times. Again, this is going to be a drill where it's working on your agility, it's working on your ability to recover, right? And then you are also working on your conditioning and seeing if you can stay disciplined in your stance, all right? And this is just defensive sliding from the lane line to lane line, right? Just right where you were for laying up the basketball. Now, after we do that, we're going to go to free throws, because free throws are just as important as any drill that we just took place in doing. All right. And so with those free throws, you're going to shoot 10 and make 10. All right. Now, after doing that, we are then going to go back to something very simple, and that's going to be dribbling on the move. Okay, when we dribble on the move, we want to make sure we stay low, make sure our steps are a little choppy so we can get a rhythm, and then we want to make sure we have control of the basketball. So with this, we're going to do pound, crossover, and through the legs. We're going to go pound through the legs behind the back, and then we're also going to work our through the legs crossover. Okay, we're going to keep it very simple. We're going to do 5 reps where we go either the length of the court, the length of the half court you have, or just the area around you that is long enough to where you can go there and back. You're going to do it 5 times. You're going to work the control of the dribble, and you are going to make sure you are confident after doing each set. All right. Then after you do that drill, we are then going to go back to a defensive drill. And this defensive drill is going to be simple. You can do it in a small space. And again, it's going to be easy. All right. And we're going to defensive slide from the block back to the baseline, to the hash mark, back to the baseline, up to the next hash mark, back to the baseline, one more time, back to the baseline, and then turn and sprint. Again, this drill is easy, can be done anywhere, and it can be done in a small range of distance. All right, you're just working again that agility, that lateral movement. Okay, and we really want to work the explosion sideways, right? Because we're always talking about how we run north and south, but what about east and west when we're sitting in a stance, right? And the stance is just as important as anything else. So please be aware of that and stay disciplined in that stance. Then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to work the floater. Yeah, that's right. It's been a while since we've done it. So now you're going to work it. Okay. You're just going to make 5, hit it off the glass nice and easy, right, middle, and on the left side. Then after, we're going to go to the free throw line and just make 5 free throws. If you need a little water, go ahead and grab some. After we've returned from the water, now we are going to go 3 levels of scoring. Okay. You're going to make a layup, you're going to hit a free throw, and then you're going to shoot a 3. This is going to allow you to kind of get a feel for everywhere on the floor and the area of where you're going to try to attempt a shot. Okay, so it's just pretty simple, no specific spots, just anywhere close to the rim, at the free throw line area, and then that 3-point perimeter at the top of the key area. Okay, we're going to do this 3 times on each side. So you're going to dribble it up with your right hand and finish. Same thing, dribble it up and shoot it, and then dribble it up and pull up for the 3. And then you'll do the same with the left, but you won't be shooting it with the left, you'll be shooting it with your right hand. But if you are left-handed, you can pull up with your left hand. So again, we're not counting makes, we're just going to go through it so you can get a feel for it. All right. Then after that, we're going to go back to defense. All right, defense, we're going to sprint down to the free throw line from the half court area, or a space that is far enough from the free throw line. We're going to plant in that middle. We're going to push off to the right. We're going to come all the way back to the left and then come back to the middle and then backpedal. We're going to do this 3 times, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, again, if it was confusing on the directions, just go ahead and look at the video right ahead of you. Okay, and slow it down if you need to, rewind it, do what you need to do, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe too. Also, what I want you to do is I want you to go back to that free throw line, because you're going to be a little tired after this. Just make 3 free throws this time. You see how we're getting less and less, but I want you to make more and more. Okay, so be aware of that. Okay, and then the last 2 drills that we are going to do, okay, we are going to work on dribble pull-up threes. Okay, and after we do our dribble pull-up threes, we're going to bring it back in closer, and we're just going to do around the world and finish on a good note and making all of our shots. Okay, that's the key to feeling confident after pretty much any workout, is trying to make all of your shots. Now, again, explaining around the world, if you haven't played that game yet, remember, you're going to be shooting from the block, then you're going to make about 3 shots, then you're going to go to the hash mark, the next hash mark, the next hash mark, bring it more to the middle, over to the next hash mark, hash mark, hash mark, and then go to the block and make all those shots. Okay, so doing all of that will get your touch, feeling right on the shot, and then also will let you gain that confidence you need to continue to want to be a shooter consistently when you're playing. All right, and then the last thing I will have for you, and it is a drill too, but I don't consider it a drill. I consider it just work that needs to be done, and that's going to be conditioning. So hit the free throw line 5 times, get your mind right. Go ahead and grab some water, and then know that conditioning is coming, and you got to get ready for it. All right, hope you're ready. We are first going to run around the perimeter, that 3-point line, full sprint. Okay. Then we're going to defensive slide around that perimeter, full speed. Then after we do that, you're going to run a liner. So you're doing all 3 of those, which will be just combined it in one. I know those are multiple drills, but the conditioning is going to be the one drill that you are going to do. Okay. Biggest thing here is, can you push yourself on the second half of the liner? What is a liner? Remember, you're going from the baseline to the free throw line, back to the baseline, half court, back to the baseline, other free throw line, back to the baseline, full court, back to the baseline. If you don't have all of that, that's okay. You can run something in a row 5 times. So you can go touch an area that is further away from the bottom of the basket, and then come back to the bottom of the basket and go back and forth. So there's ways to improvise on that if you don't have the lines to do so. And again, Basketball U, I thank you for coming each and every day for the game that you love to play. And I'm glad to be your daily trainer, as I will continue to be that, and I will have more clips for you as we continue to grow and learn more. During the season, we want to make sure we fine tune our game. We don't want to get too many new things going, because a lot of us won't want to try that, especially if we're seeing success. Maybe in practice, but not in the game. So I want you to keep having success. And again, if you need help, you got any questions, go ahead and hit me in the comments section. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?